Hi there. Have you heard the quote, "A penny saved is a penny earned"? It highlights the importance of effective financial planning and saving for your future. But due to the lack of knowledge and time, we cannot plan enough to fully manage our finances effectively. As a result, we act like machines and fail to enjoy the beauty of life. Ultimately, in the last stage of our lives, we sit with a gloomy face wondering what all we could have done. Answer this honestly. Are you busy as a bee in your office, but when you see your savings account, it gives you the feeling that you need to increase your earnings? And what if money worked for you rather than you working for money? What if you could enjoy your life just like a retired person and pursue your hobbies without worrying about finances? If you're already good at it, then that's great. But if not, it's time to stop thinking and hit the action button. Yes, to overcome these problems, you need to get the help of a smart financial planner, a person who values your money more than you do, and someone you can count on anytime. And a person who tells you where and how to invest to maximize your earnings. But it's not so easy to find a good money planner who knows the ins and outs of investing. Don't worry, because we are here to take care of all your financial planning needs. We provide professional help that allows you to plan safely and effectively. With our help, you will be able to maximize your savings and limit damages in the case of any uncertainty. Along with that, our services also include retirement planning, tax management, finding best saving schemes, contingency avoidance, best usage of fixed and floating assets. Remember, the earlier you start saving, the more time you have for increasing benefits. Now, it's your chance to stop thinking and live your post-retirement life in a relaxed manner. All you need to do is get in touch with us by following the directions below or giving us a call now. Don't forget, a good financial plan is your key to a safe and secure future.